Back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google form. So to create a Google Forms, you need to first have a Google account, and then after that you can go to Google Drive, to your Google Drive, and in here, if you want to create a Google form like this, you can just click on new, and then you'll find a Google Forms option. Okay, so oops. Okay, this is the Google Forms option. So there are three options that you can use. You can choose either you want to create from scratch. You can choose blank form or blank quiz. But if you want to use the templates provided by the Google Forms, just click on from a template. So I'm going to just, for example, I want to use a template from Google Forms. Okay, so just click on that, and here the Google Forms page will be show up, and there are a few category of forms that you can use. Personal, there are contact information, final time, reservation, party invite, event registration, t-shirt sign up, and there are also work category, even feedback, order form, job application, time of request, work request, customer feedback, and last, there is also education category that you can choose. That is blank quiz, exit ticket, assessment worksheets, and course evaluations. So you can just choose one of them. For example, I want to create event registrations like this. Just click on a template, and it will be automatically open, and you can change the title right here, the title of the form, and also the description. And if you want to change the question, you can just click on it and delete it and type in question that you want. And you can also change its theme. You can change the header, the color, and also the font, the text, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful to you, because to create a Google form, it's pretty easy. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.